Let's take a look at what the Analytics dashboard reveals about the path that users take to buy products. You go to the shopping behavior page, and you should now see some sessions with transactions. Now let's look at the checkout behavior. So this screen shows the sessions where users got as far as the checkout step. So we had 7 sessions where they started checkout and 2 sessions that ended in a transaction. We'll look more into how you can track users' progress through the checkout process in a minute. Now let's look at the product performance screen. Earlier you saw that this screen shows all the products that have been included in Analytics hits, but up until now there was 0 revenue associated with any of them. We'd expect that to change now that some actual sales have occurred. Oh, and it has, $15 for dinner. So here we see the revenue for the products that were included in the purchase actions. You can drill down into the products to get more details. So we see that these 3 dinners here got bought, there's money associated with them, and these other dinners did not get bought. So again, you can set a secondary dimension if you want to see the labels for the products. E-commerce, product variant. And now I can see which dinners were the ones that got bought. So the product SKU, also pronounced SKU, is the ID for the product. SKU is a stock keeping unit. It's something that retailers use to uniquely identify each product they sell. So here it's called product SKU, but here in the code we talk about the product ID. And actually it's just the ID. The method that sets it is setID. You can drill down into the products. I didn't set any coupon codes or affiliations, but you can see that this is where they would show up if you'd set them. You can also see other kinds of information, such as the quantity that got added to the cart and the quantity that got removed from the cart. And of course, for a remove cart hit to be registered, you'd actually have to write the code to send that hit in the method that implemented the remove from cart action.